Hello students, this brief video will instruct you on how to use the modules. The modules are set up to show you how the course progresses week by week. If we look at our first week here, June 16th through the 18th, this is probably the most important week of the class because it really sets up what you're going to be doing for the entire semester. So if you see, it's broken down into several sections. The first is the overview, which tells us what the goals are of the class this particular week. Then it gives you the learning activities, what it is you will be doing. And then finally it lists the specific assignments for the week. As you can see, this is a heavy week because it does set up the rest of the semester, as I said. Let's look at this a little bit more clearly. So let's open up the overview just by clicking your mouse. And here we are. So this week, as you can see, it basically shows that you have the ability to develop an outline. You can list the resources you use in your speech, and you can go ahead and make a video. Let's look a little closer. Here are the course outcomes as determined by the university for this particular course. So you're going to be able to organize the verbal message. It's always helpful, I think you would agree, to be organized when you're speaking. And then you're going to learn how to prepare and deliver your extemporaneous informative speech. Extemporaneous means using an outline, which we'll be using throughout this entire semester. And this speech, as most of them do, requires visual aids. And then we go to the modules. And the modules basically tell us a little bit more in detail what we're doing. How to create a basic outline. How to create a video and then post it. And then how to go ahead and come up with your list that uses your quotes and your statistic and your visual aids. And then here are the outcomes, the activities for the week. You're going to do the outline, come up with the requirements page. You're going to come up with a getting to know me questions, which is really a fun way for the class to get to know you. It tells you a little bit of information about the first speech assignment so that you understand it. And then it gives you some checklists to make sure that you've included everything you need to do. And then also, here you can look over the evaluation journal that you'll be doing for each of your speeches. You don't have to worry about that yet your first week, but it gets you prepared. And then finally, here are the assignments that are due this week. You do your hello video, which takes place of a speech. Then you write your outline for your first speech, which are the 3 roles that you play in your life. And then you write your requirements page where you list all the statistics and the quotes and the visual aids and cite your sources. And then finally you take a very brief 5-question quiz that basically makes sure you understand the syllabus, which is what is required of the basic speeches throughout the class. That pretty much sums it up, folks. So this is how you will be completing the course. Look through your module each week and these sections, and you'll pretty much be able to be on the right track. Good luck with your class. If you have questions, as always, email your instructor. Thank you, and I hope this has been useful for you.